As Americans, we face insecurities for housing, food, and everything in between. Today, we will discuss how homelessness affects us as a global society. We will also discuss possible solutions and outcomes as we work together to fix homelessness and how simple communication can help lead us to a better future. At the local level, we've seen constant increase in homelessness. Because of this, we face a huge problem of overcrowding. Our shelters, food banks, and other local resources are being ran through at such a rapid pace. This is a huge problem and leads to a big population of people using illegal substances as an escape from reality. As someone that lives in Denton, I see a big influx in the homeless population. I moved here to Denton in 2022, and I didn't see as many homeless people as I do in 2024. So I have actually witnessed this with my own eyes. In America, we have just shy of 700,000 people without housing. We have very expensive healthcare, so people aren't getting the care they need. In order to survive, people are having to steal, loot, and everything in between just to get the bare minimum and the basic necessities. Globally, we have billions of people facing adversity in houses. On a different scale, that is such a large amount of people. Denton needs to make more affordable living situations and put more money into opening bigger and better shelters and food banks. America does too, but we also need to make it more accessible, and we also need lower healthcare costs so that people can get the help they need, as there is a big influx in mental health and it's too expensive to get the care that people are needing. Globally, we should all start working together to make greater change, because at the end of the day, we're all people and we all come from the same human race. Those are decent possible solutions. Communication wise, we need to see more people using their voices via social media to advocate for homelessness. Social media is the main form of communication in 2024. So, in order to get the word out faster, social media is our best bet based on the society that we live in today. We also need to see more communities and organizations create changes in our neighborhoods. Our neighborhoods are drastically changing yearly. As prices are going up, people are getting put out of their homes and pushed out based on taxes and just how much it costs to live there in general. Lastly, we need our government to work with us to help pass laws and bills to help lower costs for good. I believe the government holds a bigger power, and with just a little bit of attention to these problems, they can help push narratives and agendas and get the ball rolling, because it really does start with them or ends with them. We learn how homelessness affects us globally, locally, and nationally, and what communication can do to improve that. I hope everyone can use their voice to advocate for those that are unable. If everyone does their part, we will have a much better outcome.